is obviously super important, but how do we actually use it in modern React in our functional components? Well, that's where hooks come into play, and specifically the king of all hooks, useState.
Yeah, a little history lesson is actually pretty helpful here. You see, back in the day, and I'm not talking that long ago, if you wanted a component to have any kind of state, you had to write it as a more verbose class component. But then React 16.8 came along and, no exaggeration, it completely revolutionized everything with the introduction of hooks. Suddenly, our simple, clean, functional components could have state. It was a total game changer.
Subscribe.
So what is useState? At its heart, it's just a special function that React gives you. It literally lets you hook into React state management features from inside a simple function. It's how you tell React, hey, I need this component to remember something. And this line of code right here, you are going to see this everywhere. It's probably the most common hook you'll ever write. Now, I know if you're new to it, that syntax with the square brackets might look a little weird. It's called array destructuring. But trust me, once we break it down, you'll see how elegant and powerful it really is. Okay, let's pull this line apart. It's basically three key pieces. One, the state variable itself. In this case, it's count, and it holds the current value of our state. Two, the setter function. We're calling it setCount, and this is the only way you should ever update the count value. Don't just try to assign a new value to it. And three, the initial value. That 0 inside the parentheses, that's what count will be the very first time the component renders.